What's up, guys? Harry here, and today we're diving into 15 places on Earth that defy all logic and explanation. Get ready for ancient legends, bizarre phenomena, and secrets that have baffled even the smartest scientists. Deep in the heart of the vast and unforgiving Mexican desert, far from bustling cities and modern civilization, lies a place shrouded in mystery and legend. This is the Zone of Silence, a remote stretch of land in the Chihuahua Desert where the ordinary rules of nature seem to break down and the extraordinary becomes possible. Here, the air feels heavy with secrets, and the landscape stretches endlessly, as if daring explorers to uncover its hidden truths. The Zone of Silence has baffled scientists and intrigued adventurers for decades, earning its name because radio signals, television transmissions, and even satellite communications mysteriously fail within its boundaries. Locals and visitors alike have reported witnessing bizarre phenomena: strange, dancing lights that flicker across the night sky, swirling energy vortexes that seem to distort reality, and even stories of encounters with beings not of this world. Some claim to have seen glowing orbs hovering above the sands, while others speak of inexplicable voices carried on the desert wind. Compasses spin wildly, refusing to point north. Radios go eerily silent, and even the most reliable watches stop ticking altogether. Electronic devices malfunction for no apparent reason, leaving travelers disoriented and uneasy. Despite countless investigations, no one has been able to explain these strange disruptions. Adding to the enigma, the Zone of Silence is a magnet for meteorites. More space rocks have crashed here than almost anywhere else on Earth, leaving behind a landscape littered with fragments from the cosmos. Scientists have documented an unusually high rate of meteorite impacts, but the reason remains elusive. Teams of geologists, physicists, and astronomers have flocked to the zone, hoping to unravel its secrets. They study the rocks, measure the magnetic fields, and analyze the strange energies that seem to permeate the area. Yet despite their efforts, the zone continues to defy explanation, keeping its mysteries tightly guarded. It's as if this place has a magnetic pull on the cosmos itself, drawing in both the curious and the unexplained. The Zone of Silence remains one of the world's most captivating and confounding mysteries, inviting us to wonder what secrets still lie hidden beneath its endless sands. Deep in the forests of northern Minnesota, there's a place that has baffled scientists, hikers, and curious minds for decades. It's called the Devil's Kettle, a waterfall unlike any other on Earth. Here, the Brule River rushes through Judge C.R. Magny State Park, tumbling over ancient rocks and splitting dramatically in two. One half of the river continues its journey downstream, flowing over mossy stones and disappearing into the woods. But the other half? It plunges into a gaping hole carved into solid rock, a natural cauldron that seems to swallow water, objects, and even the hopes of those who try to solve its riddle. For years, people have watched in awe as gallons of water vanish into this mysterious chasm, never to be seen again. The sight is mesmerizing, almost hypnotic, as the water swirls and disappears, leaving behind only questions. Scientists and adventurers have tried everything to uncover the secret. They've poured brightly colored dyes into the hole, hoping to spot a trace downstream. They've tossed in ping-pong balls, sticks, and even GPS trackers, expecting them to reappear somewhere along the river. But nothing ever resurfaces. It's as if the Devil's Kettle swallows everything whole, refusing to give up its secret. Some believe the water finds its way into a hidden underground river, winding through secret caves and tunnels beneath the earth. Others imagine vast chambers, echoing with the sound of rushing water far below the surface. There are even those who whisper about portals to other worlds, or gateways to realms we can't even imagine. The Devil's Kettle has inspired legends, stories, and a sense of wonder that draws people from all over. Despite all the experiments and theories, no one knows for sure where the water goes. The mystery remains unsolved, a puzzle that nature refuses to reveal. The Devil's Kettle stands as a powerful reminder that even in our modern world, some mysteries still flow just beneath our feet, waiting for the next curious soul to try their luck. So, if you ever find yourself standing at the edge of this enigmatic waterfall, ask yourself, would you dare to toss something in and see if you can solve the riddle of the Devil's Kettle? Lake Natron in Tanzania is stunning and deadly. Its blood-red waters are so alkaline they can burn skin and even preserve animal bodies. Birds and bats have been found perfectly preserved, as if turned to stone. Scientists think the lake's surface confuses birds, causing fatal crashes. It's a natural museum of the macabre. nature's beauty can be harsh and unforgiving. At the base of Mount Fuji lies Aokigahara, Japan's infamous sea of trees. The forest is shrouded in silence and legend, said to be haunted by lost souls. Its dense undergrowth makes it easy to get lost, adding to its eerie reputation. Today, signs urge visitors to seek help as efforts grow to prevent tragedy. Aokigahara is a place of both sorrow and hope. In western Poland, the crooked forest is filled with pine trees bent into bizarre J shapes. No one knows for sure why. Some blame heavy snow, others think it was intentional for timber. The wildest theory? Aliens. Whatever the cause, the forest looks like a scene from a fantasy film. It's one of the world's most visually perplexing natural wonders. Would you walk among these twisted trees? Antarctica's Blood Falls looks like a waterfall of blood pouring onto the ice. The red color comes from iron oxide, basically, rust. Even with a scientific explanation, it's a chilling sight in the frozen wilderness. Imagine stumbling upon this as a scientist. It's a reminder that even the coldest places can surprise us. Nature's palette is full of surprises. Mount Roraima rises above the Venezuelan rainforest like a lost world. Its tabletop summit is home to unique plants and animals found nowhere else. The isolation has created a living laboratory of evolution. This mountain even inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World. No dinosaurs yet, but the biodiversity is mind-blowing. Mount Roraima is a real-life adventure. In New York's Chestnut Ridge Park, a waterfall hides a flickering flame that never goes out. Fueled by natural gas, the flame burns behind a curtain of water, creating a magical scene. Science explains the methane, but the sight is pure wonder. It's a place where nature and mystery meet. Beneath Paris lies a labyrinth of tunnels holding the bones of over 6 million people, the catacombs. Originally built to solve cemetery overcrowding, they're now a macabre tourist attraction. The walls are lined with skulls and bones in haunting patterns. Legends tell of secret rituals and lost explorers. The catacombs are a chilling reminder of the city's hidden history. In Kodini, India, twins are everywhere, over 400 pairs in a tiny village. Scientists can't explain why the twin rate is so high. Locals credit everything from blessings to the environment. The mystery remains unsolved, drawing researchers from around the world. Kodini is a living puzzle of genetics. The Nazca lines in Peru are massive geoglyphs only visible from the sky. Created by the ancient Nazca people, their purpose is still debated. Were they calendars, religious symbols, or messages to the gods? Some even think they were made for aliens. Whatever the reason, the Nazca lines are a marvel of ancient ingenuity. Deep within the ancient canals of Xochimilco, just south of Mexico City, lies a place shrouded in mystery and chilling folklore. This is no ordinary island. It's known as La Isla de las Muñecas, or the Island of the Dolls. The journey to reach it is an adventure in itself, as visitors must travel by colorful trajinera boats through winding waterways lined with lush greenery and echoes of the past. Upon arrival, the first thing you notice is the haunting sight of hundreds, perhaps thousands of dolls hanging from trees and scattered across the island. Their cracked faces, missing limbs, and faded dresses create an unsettling atmosphere, as if the dolls themselves are silently watching every move you make. The legend behind this eerie collection begins with Don Julian Santana, the island's former caretaker. According to local lore, he discovered the body of a young girl who had drowned in the canal. Haunted by her spirit, Don Julian began hanging dolls throughout the island, believing they would appease her restless soul and protect him from supernatural harm. Over the years, the island transformed into a bizarre shrine. More and more dolls were added, some brought by Don Julian himself, others left by curious visitors hoping to pay their respects or ward off bad luck. Today, the island is a magnet for thrill seekers, paranormal investigators, and tourists from around the world, all drawn by its macabre reputation. Many who visit report an overwhelming sense of being watched, as if the dolls' glassy eyes follow them through the trees. Some even claim to have seen the dolls move, blink, or whisper to one another when the wind rustles through the branches, adding to the island's spine-chilling allure. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, there's no denying the island's eerie atmosphere. As dusk falls and mist creeps over the water, the dolls seem to come alive, their shadows dancing in the fading light. So would you dare to set foot on the island of the dolls after dark, knowing the legends that linger in the night air? The Bermuda Triangle, between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is infamous for mysterious disappearances. Ships and planes have vanished here for centuries, sparking wild theories from magnetic anomalies to aliens. Despite investigations, the mystery endures. Is it just bad luck or something more? In Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, the Darvaza gas crater, known as the Gate to Hell, has burned for over 50 years. It started when a Soviet drilling rig collapsed, releasing methane gas. Scientists set it alight, expecting it to burn out quickly, but it never did. The fiery pit glows day and night, drawing curious travelers. It's a blazing reminder of nature's unpredictability. On New Zealand's Koekohe Beach, the Moraki boulders look like giant marbles scattered by a giant. Maori legend says they're remnants of a shipwreck. Science says they formed over millions of years. Their perfect spherical shapes and etched patterns are mesmerizing. The boulders are a testament to time and geology, nature's sculptures waiting to be explored. That's 15 of the world's most mysterious places. Which one gave you chills? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.